Hello everyone and welcome back to Blockchain Minute. This is your host Shabor, and today I will show you how to install a Spectre Security Coin wallet on a Ubuntu device. So let's get started. First off, you want to open your browser, then go to SpectreSecurity.io. Now press on the wallet, and now press on Get Latest Build. From here, scroll down and go on Spectre Security Coin Linux Qt for the graphical interface. Press on Save. Come here, open the folder. Extract the file to your desktop or wherever you want. You can quit it. Close your folder, close your browser, close tabs. From here, right click, go to Properties, go to Permissions, and press on Execute. Allow executing file as program. Press on X. Now double click on it. And now as you can see, you have your wallet opened and working. So that's it for today's video. Leave a like if you liked it, subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.